Creamiest how-tos. I'm going to show you how to make the smoothest and creamiest hummus. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just into a saucepan here, I've got 3 cans of chickpeas which I've drained, and they're 3 400 gram cans. So the first thing we're going to do is add in half a teaspoon of baking soda to this. And we're going to top this up with water, just so it comes up past our chickpeas. By an inch I would say, so just about there. Now let's move on to our stove, and we just want to bring that up to the boil. Alright guys, so once you get a nice boil going like that, we're just going to lower the heat to about medium. And we just want to gently boil these for about 20 minutes. Now guys, be careful of your heat, you don't want this to overflow. As you can see, it's starting to come up, so we'll lower a bit more. So there is good. We'll just keep it stable there for 20 minutes. Now in case you're wondering, the baking soda actually helps that skin become softer. So that's why we add it. Alright guys, so after about 20 minutes, we'll go ahead and just drain these. Now we immediately want to run cold water over it. And all we're going to do now is let these rest here for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so now that the hard part's done, let's move on with the easy part. So we'll add our chickpeas into a food processor. And I'm also going to add in 4 whole garlic cloves, obviously peeled. Next we'll add about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of cold water. So guys, lid on, and we just want to process this. After a couple of minutes we'll stop it, and we just want to scrape all the sides, just to make sure everything's blending nicely. And once again we'll just process this. Alright, so as you can see, this is already looking very smooth. So we'll just scrape the sides again. And guys, what we're going to do at this point is add in about a 1/2 cup of tahini to this. Now don't skimp out on the tahini, it's very important. Now at this point I'll also add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we'll just go ahead and process again. Guys, I'm just going to stop it and scrape the sides, but just look how smooth it looks already. And that's what we want. Now what I'm also going to do is add in about 2 tablespoons of cold water. I don't want this to be too thick. Okay, so lid back on. Now let's process this for about 2 minutes. Alright guys, and there we have it. Just how beautiful is that? Nice and creamy and smooth. So let's go ahead and plate this off. So guys, you can see how smooth and creamy that is. Alright guys, so I'm just going to spread it out on a plate. And when it comes to hummus, presentation is very important. So what we're going to do is just make nice swirls like that. And in a way we're just sort of making layers. And what we'll do next is just give it a little dusting of paprika. We'll just go all the way around like that, and don't go too heavy on it, it's just a garnish. We'll just drizzle some olive oil on top. Just like that. And just as a final touch, I'm just going to garnish with some fried pita bread. Just like that. And of course the color green always goes with the color red, so we'll just sprinkle some parsley on top too, but not too much. Just to give it a hint of color. Okay, and there we have it guys. The smoothest and creamiest hummus you'll ever make. Just look at that. Absolutely amazing. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.